Hello and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So today I will show you how to create Gutenberg blocks using the plugins that I created. So every plugin will be able to do this. You simply have to create a new importing rule or edit the one that you already have. So let's go here in Newsomatic and select BBC News, for example, and create only one test post. So let's create the rule, run importing again. And let's check the posts that were created. So this is the post that we got. And here it is not a Gutenberg block, because if you will see, you will be able to convert this to Gutenberg blocks. So let me show you how to add this automatically in a Gutenberg block. So if you go ahead and check the code editor here, you will see that it is the HTML content directly here without any block metadata. But if we go back to Visual Editor and convert this to blocks, here the Gutenberg editor converted our post to blocks. And if we check the code editor now, we will see that it added this to metadata in the beginning and the end of the post. So you will see that this will happen to everything that you create Gutenberg blocks. All will have this or similar blocks. So you can use paragraph or HTML blocks. So we can change this to HTML. And if we go back to the Visual Editor, we will see this HTML code and we can switch to preview and the preview will be visible. So if we want to create automatically this kind of content, we must add this metadata in the plugin in the importing rule settings. So click settings and search for generated post content, and in the beginning paste the first metadata that you copied from here. It will be also available in the video's description. I hope that YouTube description will allow me to add this kind of metadata, but if I remember correctly, they will not allow me to add these brackets here. So go ahead and copy it from your Gutenberg editor better. And also don't forget to copy the ending and paste the ending here at the end of the string. So it should look something like this. So in the beginning you should have this block beginning metadata and it should have this block ending metadata at the end. Now save settings and let's delete the post that we imported and let's recreate it. So this will, let's check the post, and this will make the editor display automatically Gutenberg blocks. So if we switch to Visual Editor and switch to preview, it's the same HTML block. And keep in mind that you can switch between block types. So if you wish to get here paragraph like this, just replace the metadata in the plugin settings. So instead of HTML, you can add, you can add paragraph. So VP paragraph. Don't forget the switch type also from the beginning and from the end. So save settings and let's recreate the post and check the created post. It will have the paragraph block type now, and in code editor we will see this. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you learned something useful using this small tutorial video and short tutorial video, and don't forget you can edit your content of the generated posts as you wish. Have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.